Eye. The eye is the sense organ which helps us to see clearly. It helps us to identify shapes and colors of objects around us. The human eye is spherical in shape. Structure of the eye. The different parts of the eyes are: A. Cornea, the outermost transparent layer at the front of the eye. It helps in focusing of light into the eye. B. Pupil. It is just behind the cornea. It is the hole in the center of iris. It allows light to enter through it. C. Iris. Iris are muscles that regulate the amount of light entering the eye. Iris are the colored part of the eye. In bright light, it expands to reduce the size of pupil. In dim light, iris contracts to increase the size of pupil and to allow more light to enter the eye. D. Lens. It is a jelly-like structure placed behind the iris. It is transparent converging lens. It helps focusing light on the retina. E. Ciliary muscles. These muscles keep the lens in position. They control the lens's focal length by changing the lens thickness. F. Retina. The area where light rays fall. It contains light-sensitive cells, cones, and rods. Rods are not color sensitive, while cones are color sensitive. G. Optic nerve. It carries impulses from the retina to the brain. The region between the cornea and lens is filled with transparent liquid called aqueous humor. The region between lens and retina is filled with jelly-like transparent substance called vitreous humor. At the region where the optic nerve meets the retina is the blind spot. Here, in this area, there are no light-sensitive cells. So, image of any object falling in this spot cannot be seen. Functioning of the eye. The amount of light entering the eye is controlled by the iris muscles, which increases and reduces the pupil depending on the brightness of light. When light from far away objects falls on the lens, it becomes thinner due to the action of ciliary muscles. The focal length changes to maximum as the ciliary muscles relax. When objects come closer, the ciliary muscles make the lens thicker, thus reducing the focal length. The lens and ciliary muscles have the ability to focus the image of the object on the retina at a distance of 25 centimeter. This is the smallest distance for a clear image to form on retina. The lens's focal length cannot be reduced any further. If the object is brought closer than 25 centimeter, then image becomes hazy. Images formed on the retina is sent to the brain by the optic nerve. Thus, the images formed can be seen by us. The ability of the lens to alter its focal length according to object's distance in order to see clearly is called accommodation of the eye.